Order of Fate. Draw 4 community cards and swap each with 1 card from the same community in a different row on the board. Place swap card from row into the neutral area. If community color does not match, place draw card in the neutral area instead. So, I'm going to draw 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and I have to swap each one of these in a different row. So, I'm going to go ahead and swap out that 10 from them. That goes into the neutral area. Let's see, ooh, and then they have that 6 I could swap out. And then let's see, I can get rid of my -1. And there's no black in this row, so that's gonna go back into the neutral area. So, and that's Order of Fate.